Mingos. We are going to kind of just carry on where we left off. So, um, I'm not going to use the reducer anymore. I'm just going to use like just plain context. We'll see how that goes. So first thing is just get rid of all of this stuff. Don't need that anymore. We don't need that anymore, and we don't need that. Okay. So we just gonna put that in there for now. Okay. So we need context. So let's see. Const current tab equals use context. Use context. Let's see. That's gonna be again. Then set state is probably gonna have like a current tab. Set current tab, and that's gonna be a use state with value of 1. Okay. So let's see. Cannot be used. Okay. This is actually create context. Okay, so let's see. So to be able to do this is that we need to now do context dot okay, let's see how this works. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Oh, yeah, so it was actually like this, so if I remember correctly now. Current. Let's change that to that. And then value equals current tab. And then this needs to change to that. That needs to change to that. We need another one of these called that's going to be set current tab. Okay, so let's see. Set current tab value, set current tab. Set current tab is going to have do return use context current tab. And now under tab item we can do const current tab equals use select tab not defined. Okay. We're also going to need one for use set current tab, set current tab. make that 2 for now. We'll get back to that a little bit later. Actually just get to it now. I think it's going to be easier. I think. Because what we want to do now is be able to say tab item and then the index of the and then we're going to make this border primary. Okay, so okay, let's see. Ooh, that looks interesting, but not what we want. Border. So current tab. Okay, so the problem at the moment is then we've got this thing and then okay. Okay. We want to fix that at some point so we don't have to pass the index in, because passing the index feels a bit verbose. So we much rather be able to figure out based on kind of get the idea from React on what the index should be, or do like something where we pass in like the details from tab bar and then have tab bar generate these tabs for us. But for now, this kind of works ish. Okay, so what we can do now is we can say which tab we're currently on. What we need to be able to do also is say which tab panel we're on. So let's see, so we got tab bar, so let's see, we need tab panels, export function, tab panels, props, tab, props, okay, let's see, return, so we're just gonna do for now, props children, right, so we can say that, and then we're gonna say we need okay, so we got that, we got tab, panel, same thing. And then on top of that, we've got, now we got web panels. We also need to pass through the index over here. Pass the index over there, okay. And then tab panel needs an index. So, the idea what we want to do with tab panel is, based on the tab panel that you're on, be able to either hide or show what's going on. Okay, so we're going to first need a current panel. Okay, so current tab, we need that. And then what we need is we also need the index over here. Okay, cool, we got the index, and then animate presence. Okay, so we need that. We're gonna turn this into a motion. Let's just start with turning this into a motion. And so we can import it from, yeah, cool. We can just import it from motion. Mode. Okay, so let's see. So initial is going to be opacity naught. Animate 1, and then exit is also going to be opacity naught. Okay, so let's see. What we want to do now is current tab equals index. Not yet sure if this is the way we want to do it. Okay, what we want to do is in stories have like tab 1, tab panel 2, and let's put panel in there as well. Okay. The other thing is do we actually want to do like a remove the okay, we need that now. I probably need to take out the loud because that's probably what's causing the weird behavior. Okay, so let's go grade variance. Let's see what happens if we do here. So we're going to do hidden. Oh. Shows. Oh. Initial is going to be hidden. Animate is going to be show. Exit is going to be. What I actually want to do then is say. Okay, cool. So that works sort of. So let's also do y 0 and then y minus 50. I want to see what this looks like. hopefully we get, there we go. Is the note. It's a little bit too much. Okay. Now for the class name, we go, I think, empty 4. Yeah, so there's other stuff we could do with the variants as well, like do like sort of a left in. So if we go back, it goes from the other side. So we go. So if we go one up, it goes from X20. If it goes. So let's see. Let's go torrent grab is. So the current tab is bigger than we want to go from. Otherwise we want to go -20. Let's see what this looks like. So go up. No, it's literally the opposite of what I was trying to do. So we go up one tab, comes in from the right, we go down, it comes in from the left. Okay, that sounds like more or less what we want to do. I want to make this maybe a bit more pronounced. Let's see what it looks like when we make it big. Okay, so what do we want to do with the tab panels then is we want to say overflow X clip. Well, let's see what this looks like in terms of. Actually, probably want to put the margin on this, and then drop the margin on that. Okay, so it's kind of the idea about what it looks like. Got tab item. So let's kind of review what we've got. We've got tab bar, index 1, 2, tab panels. Okay, so what we need to do is on tab panels essentially loop through the children. Okay, so what we're probably going to do is drop the whole idea of tab item, tab bar as components, bars, and the tab items as. Are we? I'm not sure. Okay. I first need to look at the if there's any sort of Oreo documentation or any documentation from the We3C consortium on tabs to see if we can just kind of shorthand this and just drop the home about and things like that as an array into tab and then have that render out the tab or a tab item without having to specify components for it. And then on tab panels, what we can do probably with tab panels is instead of having the index, I'm not sure. Because the idea with tab panels then is because tab panels we're passing them through children, which is basically the tab panel is on this tab panels loop through child on the second thing if I remember correctly would be child and the index and then render out the child the props John, yeah, this is not going to work anyway. React children map children child component. Let's see, map. Let's see if there's anything in here. Yeah, that's my son. Okay, yeah, I don't know how to do this. Okay, this looks interesting. Let's see. Props, children, props, index. Yeah, okay, let's try that then. Okay, yeah, but props index is already taken. Okay, so that's not gonna work. Okay, yeah, it's not gonna work. Because index is part there, so it's not actually part of there. Okay, so list equals cons, list props, children, return, children. Okay, so this looks interesting. So let's see. Let's do this on. Let's try this on tab bar. Children. Child string number boolean. The last of like the following string number. Okay. Let's go back here. Let's go undo that change. Go. Children is racked. Hmm. Oh, there we go. So that's probably the problem. Or not. up to tab storage. We could drop that. What's it, this? Ooh. Okay. Yeah, the use of any isn't ideal, yeah, but what we rather want is to have the props in here. Just like this. So basically we're just telling TypeScript that there's going to be an index on props. So and it's a number. That way on tab item we don't have to specify the index. It's not part of like the properties of the component, but it gets magically injected by the tab bar. Like I said, I still don't know if this is the way that we want to go. When we finally try and like put it into the natural component, I have to check the ARIA docs to see if there's anything that we need to put in like the tab bar. But yeah, so far I like it. So I think I'm gonna leave it here, and then we can get back to maybe this or something else next time I stream. And with that, I'll say bye bye.